Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have something unique and exciting for you guys. This is TP-Link Nano router. This will convert your RJ232 port or your LAN port into a wireless port. You would be thinking that why do we need a Wi-Fi or RJ232 port when you already have an inbuilt Wi-Fi? So guys, for an astrophotography sessions that I use, or for the astrophotography tools that I use or equipments that I use, the requirement for the ports are increasing these days. So a lot of my equipments now have its own Wi-Fi, but then I also want to connect my equipment to the internet. Like I have a Raspberry Pi 4. Although it has an inbuilt Wi-Fi, but I still want to have an internet connection so that I can connect to it remotely and control it remotely. At the same time, I can use the inbuilt Wi-Fi of Raspberry Pi 4 to control my astrophotography equipment. So guys, this can also be used for the equipments which are old, do not have Wi-Fi inbuilt, just have a LAN port. So you can use this to add a Wi-Fi compatibility to an equipment which only has LAN port available. So today guys, in this video I am going to do an unboxing for this nano router and show you guys how does it look like. So guys, make sure you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important information that I have to give. Before we go further guys, if you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Let's get started. So guys, this is the box in which when you purchase this TP-Link Nano router, this is the box that you get. So this is pretty simple box and pretty small box that you get. On the top you get the TP-Link logo, 300 Mbps wireless N Nano router. The model number is TL-WR802N. So this can be used in multi-mode. So basically it can also be used as a Wi-Fi connection to your LAN port, and also it can be used as a repeater of your Wi-Fi. If you have a weak Wi-Fi signal at some place, this can also be used to boost your Wi-Fi signal. This is very small and compact design. This is travel ready, so you can use it anywhere and carry anywhere in your pocket or in your backpack. So it's pretty handy. On the top you have some labels, and then on the back it gives you some of the modes that can be used. So it says that here it can be used as a mode for access point mode, it can be used as hotspot mode, it can be used as client mode, or it can be used as range extender. So which is what it was saying here, multi-mode. On the sides you have on the road router mode, create your own private Wi-Fi network, Ethernet connection. Hotspot mode, you can use it to turn existing Wi-Fi into a private wireless network. At home you can use it as a range extender. Client mode, you can connect an Ethernet device to a Wi-Fi network. Access point mode, you can connect a Wi-Fi device to any wired network. In this package you will have 300 Mbps wireless N nano router, and you have RJ45 Ethernet cable, power adapter, quick installation guide, and a USB cable. Alright, so you can also download an TP-Link app by scanning this QR code at the bottom. So you can control this or configure this wirelessly using this mobile app that TP-Link has. Alright, on this side you have some of the guidelines and instructions, safety instructions and barcodes. So that is it. At the bottom you have nothing more other than serial number and model. So now let's get started and open this box and see how does it look. So it says here that it has 2 years warranty or guarantee and support. So let's open and see how does it look. So this is a sliding box from this side, so I think you have to slide it out. So inside the box you have nothing more, so I'll keep it aside. This is how it looks on the top. Now let us see what else is there inside the box. So let's, oh, this is pretty small. As you can see, I'll keep this aside. This is the main equipment. This is your router. So this comes with the foam packing so that it is not damaged. There are some documentation or guarantee paper, so I'll keep that aside too. Now let us open what else is there inside. So you get a charger. This is RJ42 LAN cable. This is a micro USB to USB cable. And then you have a quick installation guide and some general public license notice. So this is it, guys. This is what you get inside the box. Now let's open and see each one of them. So first thing, let's go through the documentation first. So here on the documentation, you have some of the warranty and quick installation guide. I'll be doing a separate video on how to set up this equipment and how to configure it in the different modes. So if you want, you can go through this documentation. For now, I am going to keep this aside. Next thing that you get is an RJ45 cable. So let's open and see how does it look. So as you can see, this is very thin profile. The cable is pretty sturdy and thick, but then it is a flat cable so that it does not take a lot of space. So on both sides there is RJ45 pin, so it can be used to connect your mini router to any equipment that has RJ45 jack. Alright, so let's keep this aside. So this is your micro USB cable. So micro USB to USB type A. So this is the cable that is used to power this router. So I think it has a decent length. So this is the cable that you get for powering up. Next thing is the power adapter itself. As you can see, this is the power adapter that it comes with. It has a 5 volt 1 ampere supply. So this is what it is used to power this nano router. Now let us look at the router itself. On the router, it is pretty small. You have an indication light which indicates whether you are connected or powered on with different modes. So on this side you get the reset port. Here it is a pin port where you have to insert a pin to reset this. If at all you forgot the password, it will default it to the factory setting. This is the power port for mini USB. This is used to power this mini router, and this is your LAN or WAN cable where you insert your LAN and WAN cable. So at the back side you get your SSIDs and some barcode informations. So I think this is it, guys. So this is what you get as your nano router. I will be doing a separate video on how to configure this and install this into different modes. So stay tuned, guys. So this is it, guys, for the unboxing of this TP-Link 300 Mbps wireless nano router. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions or comment, please put them in the comment section below. I will try and answer as soon as possible. If you are new to my channel or not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching, and clear skies.